The holidays are upon us, and for many, the excitement of the season is overshadowed by the stress of expenses. But what if I told you that you don't need a big budget to have a magical Christmas? This article will guide you through creative and cost-effective ways to celebrate the holidays with love, laughter, and plenty of festive cheer, all while keeping your wallet intact. Why spend a fortune on generic store-bought presents when handmade gifts carry so much more meaning? A hand-knitted scarf, a jar of homemade hot chocolate mix, or even a heartfelt letter can become treasures for your loved ones. Not only are these options more affordable, but they also show thoughtfulness and effort, which no price tag can replace. In the next section, we'll dive into easy DIY projects that even the most craft-challenged among us can tackle. From personalized photo frames to simple yet elegant holiday cards, the possibilities are endless and they're guaranteed to spread joy. Think you need a Pinterest-perfect home filled with expensive decor? Think again. Nature itself provides an abundance of decorative treasures. Pine cones, branches, and even old mason jars can transform into stunning holiday centerpieces with just a little creativity. Next up, how to turn everyday household items into eye-catching decorations that bring holiday warmth to your space. Spoiler alert: your friends will never guess your chic mantle garland came from the dollar store. A holiday feast doesn't have to break the bank. With some strategic planning, you can prepare a meal that satisfies everyone without overspending. Focus on hearty, crowd-pleasing dishes like casseroles or soups that feed many while keeping costs low. In the following section, we'll share budget-friendly recipes that are as comforting as they are delicious. Plus, tips on how to host a potluck dinner so everyone shares the joy and the cost. Christmas isn't about the material things, it's about moments that become lifelong memories. Swap expensive gifts for shared experiences. A family movie night, a hike to enjoy the winter scenery, or even a cookie baking marathon. Stay tuned as we explore heartwarming activities that bring families closer together, proving that the best gifts in life truly are free. The holidays are a time for connection, gratitude, and love, not financial strain. By focusing on creativity, simplicity, and togetherness, you can create a holiday season that feels rich in all the ways that matter. Thank you for watching. Our channel, Renaissance Spirit, is dedicated to building a just, equitable, and humanitarian world. We explore topics like history, politics, personal development, culture, social and environmental justice, and liberal arts, including comparisons between ancient Rome and modern life. The Renaissance was a golden age of knowledge, inspiring the Enlightenment and fostering compassion, truth, and stewardship of the earth. If you're looking to embrace this spirit of learning, growth, and exploration, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share. Don't forget to check out our other holiday videos like Santa and a Polar Bear Named Paul, a moving tale that reimagines Santa as a real man. A note for parents. This story features themes of loss and transformation, making it a deeply meaningful but sensitive viewing experience. Live the Renaissance spirit. History has not died, only our understanding of it.